3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, I'll show you how to verify Ropro in Roblox. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Ropro extension. To do this, go to Google and search for Ropro. You'll find the extension in the Chrome Web Store. Click the link and then hit the blue Add to Chrome button to add the Ropro extension to your device. Once installed, return to Roblox and refresh the page. After refreshing, you should see a button at the top of the Roblox page that says Verify Ropro User. Click on that button, and you'll be presented with two options: verifying your Roblox account in-game or connecting your Roblox account. We will choose the first option, verify your Roblox account in-game. A new window will pop up asking you to enter an emoji verification code. To get the code, click on the little icon next to the Get Code in Ropro User Verification text. This will open the Ropro User Verification experience. Press the green play button to load the user verification in Roblox. Once it loads, you'll see a screen with a blue Generate Verification Code button. Click on it, and the code will be generated. You now have 5 minutes to complete the verification, so make sure to do it promptly. Highlight the emojis, then press Ctrl+C to copy them. Minimize Roblox, return to the verification screen, and press Ctrl+V to paste the code. Once you do that, the website will reload, and you'll see that your account has been successfully verified. The verification status will appear in the top right corner of the screen. That's how you verify Ropro in Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.